Hey guys, welcome to Each Motor Part. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the starter motor out of the 2007 Toyota Yaris manual transmission. That being said, guys, let's go ahead and get dirty and put this one in there. So to do this job, you gotta have your starter, of course, and you're gonna have to have a 10 milli with the extension to remove the water or weather guard down here, the plastic, and there's a 10 milli over here to remove the battery cable. To do the starter, you're gonna have to have a half-inch ratchet and an extension and a 14 millimeter socket, and you may have to use a cheater bar or a broker bar over here. So let's go ahead and get down there. Before everything, of course, safety. Just like that. And of course, to be safer, remove some tool. Extra safe. I removed this plastic already to make the video shorter. But I think the hardest thing about this job is to remove this one and raise up the car. If you can do that, I'm sure you can do this one too. So to remove this one, there is 7 bolts or screw on this one. There is 2 over there, 1 in the middle, and 2 right there, and then I put 2 over there. But if you from northeast United States, you're gonna have some problem like mine over here. As of right now, see that rust over there and rust over here, and all my bolts they are broken apart. So this is a big problem right here. I am not worried because it's an old car and rusty car. With this stuff over here, I can use some clips or some zip tie on this one, and then the job will be done. No worry. The starter motor on this car, it is located right in here, right here. So you come over here, it's right there. You go down here, and then look down. That is the starter motor down there. And come down here, remove this little plug over here, push this little tab in hard as you can, and try to grab on it like this. Put your finger one side and another one right here. You have to push it with the thumb, I mean, hard as you can. Wiggle it. It's gonna be a pain about this one. Oh my goodness, it is out. Now here we are on the top again. So pop this thing open over here. Should be a bolt in there. It is open, and I hope you can see the bolt in there. Right there, that's the thing over there. I'm going to get that one out with a 12 millimeter socket. So here is the plug we moved about a second ago, and this is the bolt right here. And I'm gonna put my tool down here. It'll be easy on the top. The bottom is a little harder. All right, it's out. Then pull this one out like this and let it hang like that. I'm going to try to get you the best view I can do. I was going to remove this box for me to film it for you, but I'm going to put the camera down here and look down that way. That way I can show you how to remove one of the top bolt over there and one in the bottom. That's it. Now I got my camera on the floor right now and it's looking up under the car. So this is the starter right here, right here. This is the oil filter right here, and then this is the starter right here. So there's this bolt over here. That means this socket is going to be like this, and then there's another one top right here, and this socket's going to be like this. So over here you're going to unscrew it from here, and the other on the top you're going to unscrew it from this back side. So they like this, like one point that way and one is this way. So in the bottom bolt over here, you don't need an extension. It's just like this. So now go ahead and place it in like that. Put a hole. Okay. And keep going. All right, it is out. And now the camera still under the car and it's very hard to see. So this is the slave cylinder right here. It's over here. So that bolt it's right above over here. So you go ahead to run your socket and extension over here to get to this bolt right here. But you can't really see it right here. That's why I'm gonna put the camera on the top right now. I got my camera on the top right now and you can see it better. But you cannot do this job from the top. You have to go in the bottom like I am right now, right here, and put your tool through here. There's a bolt over here. This is what over here. You have to have a 2.5 or 3 inch long extension because if it's too long, there is another metal back here, and it's going to be no good. So go ahead, run it through here like this. It's hard to see from here, but I know you can see it right now. But from here, it's hard to see. So let's go ahead and keep this up. Oh my god, it's very hard. Oh, ah. Now it's not enough space to tune it, but it is well done. Go ahead, do it. All right, finally out. After remove these two bolts over here, and I got back down here. It's dark already, and now I'm going to have a flashlight. So right now, at this point, wiggle it. It should fall off. In my case, it's not going nowhere. So I'm going to grab a pry bar and do it like this. Pry it loose. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's going to take. Oh, there you go. It is out. Oh my goodness. Now what else? Nope, that's it. All right, now here they are side by side over here. They look different. I will show you what's different. So before I continue, this is the new starter I'm going to use. Is from Amazon, which this is the dual last brand over here. This is the remanufactured in Mexico, and this is the part number here, or the one of this over here. I don't know for sure, but this is number over here. So this is about $215 with tax everything. That's without retuning the old one. All right. So the difference is on this one, it's a little bit longer right here, and this is shorter. And as you can see, what they're laying right now, the plug in for the ignition wire, it's up here on the top, and the old one, it's on the bottom right here. So that's the difference right here. And of course, this is from the battery right here. And there is something I want to show you over here. I want to show you this because I don't want you to make the same mistake as I did. See it's over here, and this over is supposed to come out and go to the new one. I just put my finger over here, like wiggle it out, and then it's popped. It's because it's 18-year-old starter. This is the original one, so it's broke. So the best way to take this one out is to use one of these. If you don't have this, get to a small flathead screwdriver and push it in like this over here. That way you don't make the same mistake. Let's just say like that. squeeze it together. Don't stab yourself. It's out. It's this two tab right here. There's one right here and one right here. So what's happening right now? You're gonna put one of these uh flat head over here and another one right here and squeeze together, and it comes out. So that's the way you're going to take this one out. And now, if you it is perfect, just pop it in like that, like this, and it's done. In this case, I can't do that. So I'm going to put this one back in here since there is a hole over here. The dust or whatever is going to build up in there, it's going to come out here slowly. So I'm going to put this one in here instead of nothing. So let's go ahead, pop this bell boy in there. Now, go ahead slowly, fit this in there. Can leave it tight space, but you can do it. Okay, just like that. And put the bottom bolts in. That way, if it falls off in place, it shouldn't go to the ground. Okay, leave it like that at the moment until you put the top part in and then start it down. At this moment, you can still move it. That way you can adjust it in there. Now let's do the top one. Hope you can see it. It's right there. My hand may carry the light, but that's the hole over there, right there. So let's go ahead and do this like this. Put the screw back in there like that. Hope you can see it right there. Oh, that was easy. It's in there already. Now just keep twisting it. All right, that should be good. And now let's go ahead and tie it down with this over here. Okay, that should be good. So now, guys, honestly, I couldn't find the torque spec on that bolt up there and this one right here in the bottom. So I decided I'm going to tighten it down to 18 foot-pounds with the click torque wrench over here. And oh my gosh, how to see? Here you go. It's already tight that way, so that's good like that. And then I'm going to do the bottom one this same way. That is 18 foot-pounds. You could do 20, but I don't want to risk it. Alright, so it is 18 foot-pounds. Well, I'm going to do it like this. I believe 18 foot-pounds and 20, that should do it. Higher than 20 foot-pounds, you would be risking yourself in trouble. That's what I think, and if I'm wrong, forgive me. And now to put this plug back in here, it's going to pain in the butt because it is in the wrong way. It's different way. So it's supposed to be the way you took it off in opposite way to put it back in. But in this case, I'm going to put it back in first because if I do this one first over here, there is no way to do it. So I'm going to like bluntly reach down there. I can't see it right now. Just kind of bluntly reach down here, and you can do it from the top, bottom too if you want to. But in this case, it's in there, but I did not hear any clicking. It should click, but so far I'm pulling on it, it doesn't come out. So that means it's good. So now unscrew the nut over here and the little lock wash over there, and then get this one right here, put it on that start over here, just like this. Okay, that should do it. And now put your lock washer on there, and then thin that. Oh, that is tight like that. But I'm going to knock it down with the 13 millimeter socket. I took the O1 off with the 12, and now with the aftermarket, it is 13 millimeter. Don't tight it too much, if not, you go mess up this snack, just like I'm doing right now. Make sure that if not, you go on your twisted bolt or the stud out of this starter, and then you are screwed. After that, it's good to go. Pop this one back in there. Now I hope you know how to put your battery cable back on the battery. Now it is 9:30 at night. It's almost 10. So I'm going to finish put all this garbage underneath here, and then my battery. I will finish this video in the morning. All right. Finally, it is the next day. So the starter, it is on there perfectly. Let's start and see if it actually will work. All right. First time it start. That means we did something good. Okay. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, subscribe, share, like the video, whatever you want to do. Once again, thank you very much. Until next video. Bye bye.